lost my mom January of 21, and she was a true mama bear, and I would have loved, this is my first solo authored book, and I would have loved for her to see it, to read it, to force all of her friends and colleagues and loved ones to buy it, because she was a mama bear. I'm in my 50s, and she would take me by the hand with a bag full of books, and just like everybody she knew would have to buy one, and she was just that kind of mama. So, I tell my kids today, they're 23 and 22, when their mom is, kissing on them and bragging about them, I was like, it doesn't end. Just savor every moment of it. For as many times as I wanted to cringe, I would do anything to have her brag about me one more time. So yeah, it was dedicated to her. She was the ultimate educator. I'm a first generation college graduate. My mother was technically a paraprofessional, reading paraprofessional, but you could not call her a reading teacher. And when I go back home in the hood, plenty of times an adult will walk up and say, "You remember me, Mrs. Williams?" And you'd have a family with them and all that stuff, man. So you couldn't tell her she was not a teacher, and she helped change my view of educators. I tell people all the time, if you in any way touch the life of a child on that campus, and that includes our bus drivers, right, you are an educator in my book.